How get fast internet settings. Roshan Afghanistan 4G speed up after this APN. Settings, let's see fully APN settings in this video.
Go to Phone Settings. Tab on SIM and Network Settings. Select your SIM card, add new APN settings. Tab on access point name. Now tab plus icon, add new APN settings. Fill this page, APN settings. Number 1, tab on name. Number 2, tab on APN. Number 3, tab on proxy. Number 4, tab on port. APN type. APN protocol. IPv4/IPv6. APN roaming protocol. IPv4/IPv6. Now save your new APN settings. Select new APN after restarting your phone. Thanks watching my video. PL subscribe, like, share.